In November of 2018, just when I found Ms. Jahani to represent me, Judge Brent Gamble dismissed my claims, stating that Jahani's points, as seen in the court reporting shown, were not in my response to summary judgment that I wrote before I had Jahani. In fact, they were on page 6 and page 31 of my objection to summary judgment. So why did Judge Brent Gamble dismiss my claims when I had valid claims? Judge Brent Gamble lost re-election, so November and December of 2018 were his last days as judge. In January of 2019, Judge Brent Gamble became a mediator. Of greatest interest is that Brent Gamble now practices in the same building as mediator as Edward Trey Bergman, the man whose claims I had against that were dismissed by the same man, Brent Gamble. Coincidence? What do you think? Houston is a huge city, so why mediate from the same location of the man whose legal claims he freed? Now for my second appeals of interest. In February of 2019, Judge Jacqueline L. McFarland smiled and dismissed my claims for not responding to an amended summary judgment that I never saw. The fact that I had never missed a due date before and was always on time, and the fact that I responded to the original summary judgment, but not the amended form, did not make a difference to this judge. And the fact that leniency is normally called for in this case was not given. And the fact that I was responding on my own, as I had not hired Jahani during the amended summary judgment, did not make a difference. Judge McFarland stated that she did not believe that I did not see the amended summary judgment, as I had said. I had filed subpoenas and checked on them, and the amended summary judgment should have been between those subpoenas, but they were not. Of greatest interest is that I had issues with my filings in this same court for this same case in the past, require me to notify the district clerk and request investigation of document tampering by the court clerk in this court. See my letter and the discrepancies in the manner that my filings were posted, contrary to how I loaded them. Strangely, when I uploaded the filing and exhibits a second time in the same format, the first upload suddenly became visible. Also, if California clerks can take money to alter records, why can't Texas determine if my records were tampered as well as occurred? Currently, I'm hoping that the appeals court allows me to continue my claims. I have contacted the police, the FBI, Texas Rangers regarding what took place and submitted records to the assistant district attorney. I spent hundreds of thousands of my own money, ran all my credit cards to the maximum, and was forced into getting a mortgage on property that was free and clear just to continue my fight and pay legal fees. I believe in this fight. I believe that the public should not be abused by the system meant to protect us. The public must be protected. Please help me continue my fight to expose the injustice and the abuse that confidentiality hides in mediation. Together, we can stop mediation abuse so that you and others will not experience what I did. As you can see from my story and the documents, the legals can manipulate and alter individuals and records to benefit and protect themselves. They can use mediation to abuse and achieve their own goals at the demise of us, the public. Fight the abuse. Bring awareness to the dangers. Share this site with everyone through emails and on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and every site that you know. See that my claims are justifiable for donations, and my documents show that these legals appeared to work together to deplete my money to prevent my fight against them. These cases need to be judged by a jury of the public, not by the legal's own kind, no by Gallup poll for dishonesty and trustworthiness, legals who may protect and defend their own self-serving needs rather than uphold the law. Summary judgment should be banned in legal malpractice cases. Let's take a stand and notify everyone about this abuse. Stop mediation abuse now. Because of the fear and power for manipulation from Bergman in this group, as told to me by lawyer number 12, donations made to me may be made without identifying yourself to protect you. Let's expose the truth. Anonymous donations are accepted. Thank you.